What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is a cozy Christmas decorate with me. This was a random Friday night. Me and my little sister were chilling up in my house, and I decided to get her help me put up some Christmas decorations. So yeah, let's get into it. So we started with the Christmas tree. I got this Christmas tree from Hobby Lobby last year. I believe it's their cashmere tree. So I went in to plug it in and only the bottom lit up. So my little sister gave me a tip to go through and clean the dust out from the last year. So I'm blowing it, wiping it down, trying to clean the dust out from storage, and then reassemble it, and that actually worked. So now that the tree is up, I have my little sister fluffing it out and putting some ornaments up there. I decided to stick with the traditional red and gold this year just so I could keep it simple and keep it classic. So now I am screwing on and assembling the mantle. I got this mantle piece from Kirkland's last year, and I'm just popping on the stockings and screwing on the reindeer and putting it on top of my mantle. It looks really nice and gives the space an industrial feel. Alright, so now we're moving over to the couch. I'm just removing the pillows that came with the couch, and I'm going to put up my decorative pillows. I bought these red pillows from TJ Maxx Home Goods. They're red velvet. So I'm just fluffing them up, throwing them on the couch, and trying to rearrange to see what formation of the pillows I like the best. I also got this white pillow that says Believe from Big Lots. So just seeing how I like the pillows and how they lay on the couch. Okay, so moving over to the dining area, I'm just disinfecting the table, wiping it down before I put up my decorations. I have a few decorations from last year, this garland that has pine cones in it, so I'm just formatting that and shaping that on the table, make sure it lays correctly. Then I also have this string of lights that I'm gonna put in there just to add a little razzle dazzle. And so yeah, I'm just pulling out of the box decorations that I've had from last year and seeing how they look. This past year, I was able to get floating shelves put up. So I bought a few accent pieces that I knew that I would want on my floating shelves. This Noel sign from at home. I got a black Santa Claus from JCPenney's, and just a few other trinket items that I knew that I would want to have on display on my shelves. So I knew I would want to take down my 2 greenery plants and add in some poinsettias. That would most definitely bring some vibrance and some Christmas feels to the space. So the next day I went and got me some poinsettias to put on these shelves, and it totally transformed the space. Alright guys, thank you for watching this Decorate With Me Cozy Christmas edition. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and stay tuned for more videos.